to Tanya Diary with me, Dina Carvalho from dinastro.com. So today we are timing. First we're going to draw ourselves as usual on the horizon line. There we are with our little hat. Stand there and we observe the skies around us. And what we're timing is we're timing Mercury, and Mercury looks like this. He has little antennas, which represents his rationale, in a human shape form. So highlighting our communications, highlights movement, transactions, negotiations, accounts, everything we do that movement, money, movement, anything, talking, agreements, meetings. And his cycle is relevant because he's for February till April 2026, and that's why we're timing this. So if we look in a couple of days, we will have the sun, who's directly above us, will move into Pisces. And that's what's happening today. For today, which is February the 7th, Mercury enters into Pisces. And that highlights our activity of February, March, and April. The only thing is that in March, you can expect delays, and I'll show you why now. So what's happening in around February now, February, March, April, is we'll have the sun in Pisces together with Venus, together with Mercury, and together with Mars. So we have a stellium in Pisces. But Mercury moves, he's in front of sun, then he moves behind because he goes retrograde. He goes very fast. So let's show you how this works in the book. So in the ephemeris, you have January 2026. You can see that Mercury, there's Mercury. He was in Aquarius until yesterday, just for 1, 2, 3 weeks. So his transit is fast. But now he's starting, today goes into Pisces. Mercury goes into Pisces. And it's February 2026, February the 7th. Mercury goes into Pisces, close to Venus. But he carries on and he starts going retrograde, meaning he moves backwards in a way. And he stays there. We can see March. There's Mercury again, retrograde, and then he starts going direct around the 20th of March. So you can see that your engagement here in February today and other key days would be January the 23rd. Look at what were you doing January 23. And February the 20th coming up, so what you're going to be doing, that will show us what your delay is. And the advancement only comes in April. So globally, that would mean the Armada, that's when the US President Trump said that his Armada is going to run. That was on the 23rd of February. Sees a delay, stays there, sees a delay, or maybe some action now here. In March, delay and advancement in April. So we have a long season of that. So that is what is highlighting here. That's your delay. So your key days would be, would be over here. Would be February the 19th, January 23, and that would be show your engagement for March delay and advance of December. You want to know more? Visit www.dinastro.com. See you then.